Є? Четверо заходимо. Ще нема, заходимо.
Guys, they even got grenades here too. 1, 2, 3.
This bike is here. This is from World War II.
This is nuts, guys. This is history. These car cuts is Ukraine. And they also, all the food that they give you in the silver plates, which were used in World War II. Yeah, you gotta be careful here. This is where you put like the ammunition, your guns, your weapons. Hi everyone, so we just left our hotel and today's journey will be continued going to 2 different restaurants. The first one will be, I think, Kryivka, and then the second place will be called a Arsenal Ribs Food Restaurant. Where are we going, yo? Okay, так по прямой. Идем прямо.
Є? Четверо заходимо. Ще нема, заходимо.
Заходьте, зачиняйте, будь ласка, двері.
Зараз хвилиночку, чекай хвилиночку. Добре, пане, я бачу, будь ласка.
Дякую. Alright guys, we are inside this restaurant. We just ordered 2 beers and 1 shot of samahon. Beer theater Lviv, and I also got myself 50 grams of samahon. I don't know if you guys can see the bubble. That means it's a very, very strong drink. We also ordered dumplings and pig ears, smoked pig ears to go with the beer. Vadim, how's the beer? Our pig ears just arrived. Here are the pig ears, everybody. Then we got the red peppers on top. And I think they are smoked. They like maybe cilantro on top as well. And they also, all the food that they give you in the silver plates, which were used in World War II. Let's give a try our pig ears. Что это означает? Big ears are nice. Right in front of me are the dumplings. I think this has like potatoes, onions, and I think maybe garlic on top. I don't even know. Maybe meat, maybe mushrooms. And to go with the dumplings, they give you sour cream to dip it in. The pork ears that are here are my favorite. Now let's try out the dumplings. These are really, really good. Yeah, these things are really nice. So this has potatoes, and the dough is like it's really soft.
А тут що? Суми. Але Суми тут таке москальське місто, ні?
Одежда где?
So we just finished eating. Right now we're going inside the bunker where the soldiers hide from the Nazis. It's really dark in here, and it's cold too. Let's watch this out. You gotta be careful here. Yeah, look at this place, guys. This is all from World War II. This is where you put like the ammunition, your guns, your weapons. Yeah. This is the bunker, everybody. These are the stairs. Wow, guys, look at this. This is all from World War II.
This bike is here. Is from World War II.
Guys, look at this antique here. Look at the TV from like the 1950s. There's another TV there. This is so old here. I think there's a radio. Wow, guys, look at this fucking phone. Look at this car from World War II. I think that's from the airplane. That's from the that's the car. Maybe from even the tank. This is nuts, guys. This is history. Oh, and they got a souvenir shop here too, everyone. Look at this. They have teas here, they have honey.
Слава Україні.
Героям слава. Guys, they even got grenades here too. 1, 2, 3. They got grenades for 250 hryvnias. But I think I will get this here. I'll buy this. They got tanks here. They got all types of bullets here. This is nice. Okay, everybody, just got myself a scarf that says Ukraine. Going on me. We just walked out of Kryivka, and right now we're walking in around Lviv central area. Nice restaurant. I really enjoyed the food. They had the most amazing, delicious dumplings. They had really nice pork ears, and the moonshine was nice and strong, and also the beer was very, very tasty.
It's fading gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is wasted. Yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind?
Hi everybody, so I just checked into Arsenal Rib Shop here in Lviv. We want to get ribs. I'm very excited. I'm very excited about my ribs coming soon. My beer has officially arrived. Very refreshing. It's a nice white beer. It's made from the wheat. Дякую. А можна ще на 0,5?
Ще одне пиво?
Ага.
Будь ласка. І ти нарахував, що замовлення на цій столі, тоді я вам донесу пиво, добре?
Добре, добре. So the ribs have officially arrived at our table. So this is the one batch of the ribs right over here. That's the second batch of the ribs. We also got 2 pieces of bread. I think it's like a roti bread or something. I don't even know. Then here we got like the grilled vegetables, peppers, carrots, and I think green beans too. Yeah. Okay, my first rib of the night. Yeah, this is really good. It's smoky. All that smoke from the wood. Taste is nice. Now let's try out the sauce with the rib. I think this is like some sort of a steak sauce for your rib. It's really, really good. Yeah, it's excellent. Damn guys, these ribs are fine as a mother. Okay everybody, right now I'm about to try the rib with like, the yellow sauce. I'm not really sure which one this is, but it goes really well with beer. And the ribs too. Very fine. I'm fine. Дуже добре, дякую. А ще пиво можна? Прошу? Пиво. I asked for more beer. Very nice combination. The sauces are going great with the ribs. Good. I'll do a couple carrots too.